guys, today I've got another Glossybox unboxing for you. This month it's called the Body and Soul edition, so that sounds really interesting. Yeah. Okay. Oops. So here's like the little booklet thingy. It says Body and Soul edition. Yeah, that's it. Then we have like a coupon for like you get 20 euros off for some kind of spa treatment. Yeah, we'll see about that. Then we have a 10% coupon for Lavera if you order it on Amazon, which I don't really see why you would do since it's just like a normal drugstore brand. Okay, whatever. Then we have 20 euro from HelloFresh, which I still don't know what it is. I wanted to Google it, but I didn't. Apparently, like, you can get food or something. I don't know. Or they get you the stuff for you to cook your meal or something. I don't know. We'll see about that. So, to the stuff that's actually like products. The first thing isn't it doesn't count for like the 5 products that are in there, so it's a little bit of an extra gift. It's a repair mask, this one, by Luvos, which I don't know if you have this brand anywhere else, but like they're just regular masks that you can get everywhere here, so yeah. As I've already said, I think I'm not a big fan of masks like this because I already have the masks I use, and I don't really am a big fan of like those like one-time things, but we'll see. I've got a lot of them that I want to like use up in time, but somehow I don't really get around to, so we'll see about that. Then the first like real product is this one. It's by L'Oreal Elvital. It's a color enhancing hair mask or something like this. So I'm not really hyped about this product, or not about the product. It's more about the fact that it's in a Glossybox, because like it's I don't know the price, but I'd say between like under 10 euros, okay? And you can get it like at every drugstore, at every like shopping center or wherever. So you can get this literally everywhere here in Germany. So I don't see why they put a product that everyone can get in there, unless it's like a more pricey product, which maybe you wouldn't buy on your own, but like be happy to get a gift. But this is really just a regular product. Everyone who needs this will just go to their next drugstore and buy it, and if it's empty they will just repurchase it if they want to. So I'm not really like, yeah, I'd rather have had something like even cheaper that I didn't get so easily here in Germany, or I don't know, something that's not just your regular drugstore item. But since this is obviously not my regular hair color, I can obviously use this, and I'll use it like sometime when all the other hair products I own are run out, whatever. The next one is similar for me. It's like from Lavera. It says Pink Energy Body Fluid. I've already like looked at this after I filmed the German video, so I don't know if it's actually more like a shower gel or a body lotion, so for in the shower or after the shower, but whatever is the case, it's the same as with the hair product. If I wanted this, I could just go to my next drugstore and buy it. So it's really a regular drugstore product, so yeah, not really hyped about this either, although I haven't smelled it yet. Yeah. Okay, so it smells nice, but it smells really grapefruity, and that's not really my thing. But of course that's like really depends on everyone, and just because I don't like the smell, it's not like a bad thing. But I do not appreciate the fact that there are like 2 big drugstore products in there. So if I look weird, I'm sorry, I don't know, I'm not wearing my glasses, so I don't really see anything. Like I don't even see anything in the viewfinder, like everything's really blurry, so if I make weird movements with my eyes or something, I really don't know, because I don't see anything like other than the products I have like right here. So I can read it. It's getting tough to read what it says on the bottle, so okay, whatever, you didn't need to know that. This one is from Mono Professional Skincare Firming Fiji Facial Treatment Oil. So I don't know the brand, so that's good. So something new to try out. It's a facial oil. I haven't actually tried out a facial oil, although I know that oils are like really everywhere at the moment. So I'm really like interested in trying this out, see how it works, if I actually like the idea of an oil. Yeah, we'll see. The next thing is this one. It's from Absolute New York, a garlic nail treatment. So first off, garlic, like okay, but I'm a little bit nail obsessed at the moment. I'm obviously wearing acrylics, so I'm not gonna use a nail treatment, but I'm thinking about removing them again, so then I'll need nail treatment. And while I do already have a couple of like oils and stuff that are already opened, and I would like to like finish them first before I try this. I'm really looking forward to trying this, and I probably have to try it before the others run out, because like, let's face it, like a bottle of nail oil that like lasts you quite a while. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying out this one. And then the last one is a concealer quad by So Susan, which I've already tried swatching in the other video, and let me tell you, so you can still see the like darkest color, okay, so but that's everything you can see, that's all you can see. So we have, let me open it. It doesn't want to open. Hello, it just worked fine a minute ago. It worked just fine a minute ago, I'm sorry. So here, so we have the highlighter, obviously. Then what is supposed to be your regular concealer. Then here like a corrector and contour color. So I tried swatching them, and the only one that did show up even a little is the contour color. So yeah, we'll see about that, because like literally the other colors didn't even show up on my finger when I put it in there, let alone on my hand afterwards. So yeah, all in all, I have to say I'm pretty disappointed. Like one product that like seems to be of dismal quality, although I've only tried swatching it now, so I will try it out and actually like try to apply it to my face. So if you want a review on that or know about it anymore, let me know. But yeah, one product like this, two products I can just go out tomorrow and buy in the drugstore, and like two interesting products. So yeah, not that amazing for this month, but well, it can't be amazing every month. So yeah, we'll just live with it, live with it, I think. Yeah, well, can't really change anything about it. So yeah, I think that's it. Bye! We have the bronzer here, which I tried out today, and I really like it so far. We have the What's Up, which is a